Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan Comfortline R-Line. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got some nice park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails as well. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is pretty handy during the cold winter months. Turn light indicated mirrors. And moving to the front real quick, we do get license plate bracket, front park sensing, and that nice Volkswagen grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, providing you with cargo mats. You do get some cloth under there, storage cubbies. You can collapse your last row from here. You do get a cargo area protector, which is pretty nice. Collapse your same row from there as well, and cargo cubbies. To close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, leathering on the door. Floor mats, you got a cubby hole right here with rear vent, USB-C, storage, 12 volt. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered mirrors, windows, locks, liftgate, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 107,518 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We do have voice, toggle-free screen, view, playback, play forward, volume, cruise control, all that jazz. And looking at our main screen here, we have our driving data, driving assist, compass, audio, phone, vehicle status, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we got our gear select. It tells you what gear you're on the top here. Engine start stop, parking brake, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, park sensing with storage and cup holders. You do get some storage here as well. Storage below with USB-Cs, 12 volt. Dual climate up front, and it's all touchscreen, so you just slide it back and forth, as well as the temperature, heated front seats, storage below, and on the dash with a nice powered twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, SOS, and maintenance, hazards. And looking here, you have your audio, which is AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, all that fun. You got your media controls here, so you can connect to your phone. You got your voice controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Android Auto. All that fun. You do get Apple CarPlay capabilities. You can play with your sound features, car settings, and your menu. All pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LB07490A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.